How's it going, everybody? This winter has been a really mild winter. We've hardly had any snow up until a couple days ago, and they're predicting a good snowstorm. So I decided I would go to the cabin and spend a couple days enjoying the woods with some fresh, deep snow and some beautiful scenery. It's really the only time of winter I truly enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy it too, and we're able to get out and find a way to truly appreciate this cold season. I couldn't make it up the driveway with the truck, so I had to haul everything in on a sled, which adds a little work, but also adds to the experience. What do you think, buddy? Maple, what are you doing? Before I headed to the cabin, I pre-cut these beams. They're leftovers from building the other cabin. I use them for headers. What I'm going to do with these is build a nice, solid little table to put on the porch. It's a log screw. It's 10 inches long. Had these sitting around for, 15 years. I figure if you can build a log cabin with these screws, they should make a pretty solid table. Beautiful. I think another project I should do out here is build a small wood box. Something I can put some wood in, and if it's snowing sideways or raining sideways, the wood will stay nice and dry. Starting to think that it was going to be another one of those false alarm snowstorms, but it did start snowing, so we got our last load into the cabin before it started getting too bad out. starting to get pretty nasty out there. kind of fun cooking on the wood stove, but one thing it definitely is not is fast. And after this trip, I've decided the next project at this cabin will be a kitchenette of some sort. No, a meat cleaver is not my first choice for cutting buns, but when you forget a knife,
I think I'm toasting up quicker than sandwiches did.
I think you're right. That looks good.
Did you want that door cracked open?
That's fine with me. I'm roasting.
Roasting, so you grab a blanket.
Just have it. What do you think?
Like being in the car with your flannel and your coat. Crank AC on, freeze out your woman.
What was that?
Don't you? You think
Keep
you're
it up.
cute. I would laugh if a gust of wind blew a pile of snow in your face.
Of course you would. I brought along a laser pointer. These guys absolutely love it. Normally I'm the one that gets up early. Today Tina was up way before I was. Guess I'm gonna go see how bad this snowstorm was. Pretty thankful the stove went out last night. We haven't put wood in it since, I don't know, probably 10 o'clock last night. It's actually pretty warm in here still. It was almost unbearable in the loft. I really should have put a window up there so that you could cool it, because it gets pretty hot up there. We definitely got some snow. Now this is what winter should look like. If it's going to be cold, at least it can be pretty. If not, why not just go south for the winter? That was a bit much. There's the outdoor kitchen. I forgot to tarp that off, so probably won't cook on it this time. Oh, those are wet. Up here somehow. I can hear it whistling. It's close enough for me. I have no idea if this will work or not, but I wanted to try cooking biscuits in this thing next to the wood stove. I kind of think I'm going to need to make them smaller. What are you barking at? I'm guessing they're pretty doughy. That's not bad. I'm shocked. Not bad at all. Took about 3 minutes. They're cooked all the way through. They're not doughy. Charlie, Maple, you want a biscuit? That's pretty good. Come on, guys. Come on. Well, it wasn't exactly the storm of the century, but we all had a good time. I hope you guys all had a good time too, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing you soon.